Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how you can use your Snapchat to prank your friends by showing them that you purchased iPhone 13. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application and you have to click on this emoji. Okay, once you will click on it, on the right bottom you will see explore button, so tap on it and on the search bar you have to search for the iPhone. Okay, as you will see iPhone 13 are appear here. Sorry, search for the iPhone 13 exactly. Okay, here you will see different iPhones are appear here, so you can use 3D iPhone 13 by placing it on your table or anywhere, or you can simply use this iPhone 13 Pro. By tapping on the iPhone 13 you will grab this and now you can simply click a picture from here and you will see picture is here. Now you can apply effect and from the right top click on the text and write a text. Finally purchased iPhone 13 Pro. Okay, now send it on the Snapchat. Your friend will think you purchased iPhone 13. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.